In danger.
A number of rare animals are in danger of becoming extinct.
In danger.
Disappear.
We all do not want these rare animals to be disappeared.
Disappear.
Effort.
Efforts have been made to protect the environment.
Effort.
Endangered.
The giraffe is an endangered species.
Endangered.
Save.
They suggested ways to save these endangered species.
Save.
Prohibit.
Laws have been introduced to prohibit the killing of endangered species.
Prohibit.
Peacefully. Human beings, animals, and plants can peacefully coexist. Peacefully.
Remain. It will remain that way for many, many years. Remain.
Forest.
Forest is seen as huge biodiversity.
Forest. Serious.
The consequences could be serious.
Serious.
Make sure.
Make sure you're home by midnight.
Make sure.
Fund.
He donated a small amount of money to the Red Cross Fund.
Fund.
Extinct. Deforestation makes animals and plants extinct. Extinct.
Protect. Let's protect our city. Protect.
Offspring. Female badgers may give birth to as many as 5 offspring.
Offspring. Coexist.
These communities have peacefully coexisted for centuries.
Coexist. Habit.
He has a habit of eating chocolate at night, which is not good for his teeth.
Habit.
Interference.
If people's interference with the environment decreases, more species will survive.
Interference. Organization. They could build a future of world peace through this new organization. Organization. Respect. In this respect, we are very fortunate.